For the pancakes, here are the ingredients. Start by measuring your 500 grams of flour into a mixing bowl. Add half cup of sugar, 2 level teaspoons salt, then mix together. Then with your wooden spatula by the corner, break in 3 eggs. Then add 3 cups of water, but I am starting with 2 in order to mix my flour easily. When the water is too much in the flour, it doesn't dissolve well. That is to say, as you are mixing, you'll be noticing it has lumps. But when it has a little liquid to work with, that liquid forces it to dissolve faster. So after mixing it like this, I'm going to be adding the last cup of water, which is the 3rd cup. Now, if after mixing like this, you are still seeing some lumps, just set it aside for some time. Everything will be completely dissolved. Or you use your sieve and sieve it in order to get it smooth. But I didn't do that because I know they will all get dissolved. So next you add your pepper and onions and mix together. And our batter is ready. Next, you place your skillet on heat or your frying pan and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Scoop in a cooking spoon of your batter and try circulating it around the pan. Allow to cook for some time and then flip over to cook the other part. Sometimes if you don't want it to burn a little to give you this dotted brown, you can remove it at this spot. But if you want it to burn a little to give you the dotted brown design, you continue cooking it. Flip over by the time one side is dotted and then cook the second side. Now continue to flip over so that you will be sure that the 2 sides are well cooked. It is also advisable to press down the middle of your pancake while it is cooking using your cooking spoon. Now sometimes the first pancake that you fry using your skillet doesn't come out well, but from the second it will start coming out well, and that is because you have used a skillet that is not a non-stick. Okay, but here I'm using a non-stick pan, so every part of it must be saved because no one will be scattered because of the pan. So I've been able to remove the first one. I'm going to do one more, and after this one we'll do the rest behind camera. So what do? You start with your oil again, your 1 tablespoon of oil, and again pour in. This time you can add more in order for it to cover the entire bottom of the skillet. Okay, you can just try bending the pan as that is covering it. Okay, that is it, and allow to cook. This time we are going to cook until we achieve the dotted brown, and then the rest will be done behind the camera. So you can see the dotted brown. We're also going to be cooking the other part of it to create that dotted brown. You can make the dotted brown more, but don't allow it to get too burnt. Okay, you can make it more, okay, and you can still do it without having it. All right, so that is it. And after that, you remove it. So like I said, the rest will be done behind the camera. And here is our finished pancakes. As you see, this pancakes is very tasty. There is no milk, there is no special thing there, but I must tell you, when you do it, it's so cheap but very tasty. Okay, you can use milk. You can use 2 cups of water and a cup of milk. It will still add to it, but I'm telling you, it may be a waste. Okay, except for the fact of the nutritional value. All right, like this, you are good to go. It is so tasty, guys. Try it and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Bye for now.